I love coming to the school. I do love coming to the school and just being around people who love to do what they do.
Today we're recognizing National Apprenticeship Week, and it is a large recognition that we received 2 proclamations today, one from the City of St. Louis, the mayor, and the second one from County Executive Sam Page. It's a great honor to receive both of these proclamations for our National Apprenticeship Week.
We know that the Carpenters Union is a great opportunity to get a very marketable skill set to be involved in an organization that will take care of you and your family and to prepare you for a long career in construction.
Along with these proclamations, the Mid-America Carpenters Regional Council is also holding an open house for young people and their parents here at the St. Louis Training Center.
What we're doing here today is offering an opportunity for young men and women of all sorts to come and see what we actually do here. It's one thing to advertise apprenticeship training. It's one thing to actually go out and recruit and tell individuals about what we do. It's different to show them what we do on a daily basis. It also provides information on how this can better their lives.
I haven't really decided on what I want to be yet, so I'm using tonight as a test night to see what would it be like.
We saw 4 different types of floor layers. We saw concrete, a big turbine. We saw cabinetry.
This open house is all about recruitment, and when people get to come down and see this training center, they are amazed at what we do within these walls. So the open house is to entice moms, dads, kids, to get them to actually come down and see what they would be involved in.
This was kind of our first introduction to a lot of it. So this was great because I didn't even, to me, carpentry was like just putting up wood building, I guess. So I didn't realize there were so many other options under carpentry.
Once they become apprentices, young men and women feel a sense of pride. To get there simply requires perseverance and hard work.
I talk to my friends and then they tell me how they're proud of pursuing what I'm becoming, and you know, we all have we veered off different choices. Some went to military, some went to school, some are in the trades.
But as times change, so must recruiting tactics.
We haven't had an open house in a while. Now the virtual open house, we actually started after the pandemic to give everybody an explanation about what apprenticeship is like.
After the pandemic, the union looked for new ways beyond in-person events to stage open houses. Making these events as convenient as possible for people to attend seemed to garner better attendance.
It's the middle of November, and the weather may not always cooperate with us. So they decided it would be better outreach if we do something virtual that would allow more people to be able to come into our training center. You're doing the virtual open house at the convenience of your time and in your house, so I think it offers a little better comfort.
The numbers show how new approaches increase the number of attendees to recruiting events like this one.
The hope was to get around 300 people. We're close to 900 people who have signed up for this virtual open house.
Today, attending a virtual open house is as convenient as opening a web browser.
We're going to go over a PowerPoint presentation. I'm going to explain some of the programs that we offer.
Attendees of any of these events and programs learn about the benefits of becoming a union carpenter's apprentice.
The benefits of going through the apprenticeship program are not just long-term.
A career is a large investment. You know, most people can say that a college is a large investment, buying their first home, a car. The career is a huge investment, and they should be able to see what they'd be getting involved with. Kick the tires, open the hood, see how this motor runs here, and they can see the power of it.
The benefits of being a union carpenter for me has been just looking at my benefits, my insurance, knowing that I'm covered for anything, knowing that I have a future secured, such as a pension, an annuity.
I was really surprised that there's no tuition. These kids will graduate with so many skills and knowledge and not be hundreds of thousands of dollars in debt. And I think that's my biggest takeaway is like, my son can have such an amazing start to his adult life without the typical 4-year college debt.
Apprenticeships are a lot different from college. Probably the main way that most people understand it is you actually work and make money for 4 years instead of doing all your training up front and not having a job until after 4 years. That is a really important thing.
If you're passionate about building, be a carpenter. If you love just putting things together, then the skilled trade is for you. A lot of people do not associate skilled trade with passion.
This is an opportunity to not just find a job, but to find a career.